Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Nmap and how we can do network analysis using Nmap. For that, guys, open Chrome or any browser which you have. If you see here, Nmap is a network scanner. Nmap is used to discover hosts and services on the computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. Okay. For that, guys, you can see it is available in Windows, Apple, Mac OS, Linux, etc. Click on download link. You can click on Windows. For Windows, guys, it will be here. So just have to download the stable version Nmap 7.9.5 setup.exe. It is downloading the setup. It will take a little bit of time. So once you have done that, let us install this. So click on yes. The installer will launch. I agree. Click on next. So it will go under programming files, Nmap. Let me install it. Click on agree. So let us keep this as default. Let us click on install. We are installing both Nmap and npcap. Installation is happening. So this one is completed. Let me click on next. So npcap has been installed on computer. Click finish. So this one will continue the installation. This is also completed. Let me click on next. Desktop icon. Let us click on next. Let us click on finish. So once you have done that, you can see the Nmap. Just let me open this. So this will look like this. Nmap Zenmap. If you can also open Nmap in command prompt. If you just click this, just type Nmap. It is recognizing this Nmap. We can do few of the things using Nmap if you don't want to use that GUI interface. We can do few things. Let us start with the first. So it says it is installed successfully. So they have given few examples to do. Let me copy this example. Control C. We can paste it here. So let me click on enter. So we're starting the Nmap. It is scanning each and everything. It is initializing. It has completed. It has discovered these 1,000 ports in this particular thing, right? So there are many examples which we can talk about. The similar command we can do it in this one also. So target, we can see one of the scenarios where we can write just 192.168. Instead of opening it in command prompt, we can target this particular thing, maybe dot 29.207. We can click on scan. You can see the scanning has been started. If you want, you can copy the same thing. You can actually do it here parallelly. The same thing here. Control V. See here, it is also scanning the similar thing. The GUI and the command prompt will work parallelly together. It is a network scanner. Let us see the basic scan. Basic scan, we can give Nmap and target, whatever the target we have. Let's say it is 192.168.1.1. It will try to check for vulnerabilities for this particular. So this is the her website nmap.org. It is checking for the vulnerability. It is fine. What and all are there? For example, we can scan for specific host. For a, let us scan Nmap. I can give -p. So I'm specifying the port. Let's say port is 80, comma 443 space in the same 192.168.1.1. We can scan for specific port or directly we can scan. We can scan for port 8043. We have scanned here 80 and 443 we want to scan. let's say 443. I'll do it here. Click on enter. It will scan for that also. Or we can scan for multiple hosts. Let's say I can copy this, Control C. Let me paste it, Control V. Instead of this Nmap, I just have to write Nmap target 1 and target 2. So target 1, I'll just write it as this one, target Control C, and then space Control V dot 2. Let me click on enter. I'm just adding that same scenario where we can scan the particular thing. So we can convert up to, we can scan the range of IPs also. For example, let me add the same thing. Instead of dot 1 to 1, I can give a specific range 1 to 100. 1 to 100. So it will scan all the IPs related to 192.168.1.1234 till 100. All these things it will do. See, it did all this scenario. So next one, then IP 105 hosts up, scanned 13.57 seconds. So let's say OS detection also we can do. Let's say if I want to target 1.1, if I give space OS minus O, so I'll just give space minus O. That's it. Click on enter. It will give you the target OS. So next one, we can scan all TCP ports. We can scan all UDP ports, etc. Scan the list of targets from a file, something like that. Everything we can do. So these are the few scenarios which we can do with Nmap. It is one of the powerful tool. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.